A startling incident, the transformer at Umsao Nongkharai village caught fire around 11 a.m. Local residents quickly raised the alarm, initiating efforts to extinguish the flames. Thanks to the prompt arrival of linemen, the fire was brought under control. According to linemen, the fire originated from a defect where wires collided due to heavy wind, igniting sparks that spread the fire. Tony Shalla, the village secretary, expressed relief that there were no casualties, though the transformer suffered damage.
Hagapur buat hari lalu kita bagi sting, boleh transformer badan hakan negara jaka ulak peluk no, ulak kending, buat hadian bah agilan juga aku musket Trisnong layok banwan hakan negara jaka banwan saki, buat ngilayok ban saki dalam jong kikmat ni ya kajing du, jong ni transformer kita buaya kibala ing jing masa kini kiplang hanya pemadan kibala ing, ting layok banwan ban saki.